Now that you have registered your computer and have at least a training license for the Terrain Explorer, it's time to download and import some of our training projects. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. So, step 1. Go to the License tab on the Project Manager and connect to the license server. 2 points here. First, you can't connect to the server if you have a project open. So if you have, as I have here, go back to the Home tab and close it. Second, remember that you may need to have your IT department open TCP port 1433 for you. Once you've connected to the server, update your entitlements. What updating does, along with updating your license configuration, is refresh the list of educational surveys. So if anything is new or changed, you will be brought up to date. Disconnect from the server. Step 2. Select a survey. Notice that if you hold your mouse over the survey after selecting it, a project description will pop up. Step 3. If you want to install the project, then click the Project Description and Download link. This will take you to the projects page on our website. Here you will find more information about the project, a few representative images, and the download button. Click it. This takes you to a Dropbox page and you can download the project's zip file from there. Extract the project from the zip file onto a local disk, preferably an SSD drive. I won't do that because I've already done it. So now, go to the Home tab on the Project Manager and select the collection you want to import the project into. Click the Import button. Navigate to the project's .mdf file and open it. That's all there is to it. You're done, and you can now open the project and work with it.